How important is JavaScript for modern web developers? We find the value of JavaScript as a web technology because this is a fact that currently, 94.5% of websites use it. JavaScript is a client-side programming language, which helps web developers make web pages impulsive and synergetic by implementing custom client-side scripts. Moreover, it also helps developers use cross-platform runtime engines like Node.js to write server-side code in JavaScript. There are many other reasons as well for a modern web developer to know to extract the benefit out of JavaScript. Copl Guru platform provides the opportunities to pursue the JavaScript course as well as many other software courses which are job-oriented and excellent to make a career. Many reputed companies are using JavaScript such as PayPal, Netflix, Groupon, Uber, Facebook, Google, eBay, etc. JavaScript is essential for a web developer to create modern web applications because JavaScript was originally designed as a client-side programming language. A large number of websites use JavaScript as it is easy to write custom client-side scripts in JavaScript and integrate the scripts seamlessly into HTML. JavaScript can also be used to make web pages interactive and respond to users instantaneously. With the help of JavaScript, developers can simplify the application's composition and also modify the development of complex web applications. Through a cross-platform routine engine, they can also server-side code in JavaScript. The four components of the main stack, MongoDB, Express.js, Angular.js, Node.js, are helpful to further simplify the development of modern web applications. MongoDB is the latest schema-less NoSQL database, while Angular.js is a popular JavaScript framework provided by Google. JavaScript needs to be used by the programmers for optimizing websites for mobile devices with Google's Accelerated Mobile Pages (AMP). JavaScript is an inconsequent programming language. It lacks some of the strong capabilities furnished via way of means of current programming languages like Java and C#. But the internet builders can simply enlarge JavaScript via way of means of the use of a transpiler like CoffeeScript, TypeScript, DukeScript, and Vaadin. Each transpiler permits builders to satisfy the necessities of massive business enterprise programs by making the workflow complex. Web builders can easily enlarge the capacity of JavaScript via way of the use of numerous libraries and frameworks. The programming language has been evolving systematically to meet the emerging trends in web application development. Modern web developers must use JavaScript to make their web applications deliver optimal user experience across various devices, operating systems, and browsers. They can even combine multiple libraries and frameworks to enhance and extend JavaScript according to the requirements of large projects. There are many courses you can join through Copl Guru platform. Here are the details of a few relevant Java courses. There is a course by the first phase, which is the institute indulged in excellent training and performance for last 4 years. The course has a duration of 45 days, and the classes will be conducted both weekdays and weekends. The fee for the course is Rs 8,000/ another institution SS Infotech, which is rendering its wonderful services for the last 10 years, offers a course on Java for 60 days on weekdays. The fee for the course is 5,000 rupees. Another course is from Void Main Technologies, which is having 7 years experience. The duration of the course is 60 days. Classes will be conducted both weekdays and weekends. You need to pay 4,500 rupees towards the fee of the course. S. Pengalman is rendering its wonderful services for the last 20 years, offering a course for 90 days during weekdays. The fee of the course is only 5,000 rupees. There are wonderful opportunities for JavaScript developers in various reputed companies. Anyone interested to learn JavaScript can visit coplguru.com to join the course and for details. Copl Towers, ISB Road, Financial District, Nanakremita, Telling